In this video, I'll show you how to build a simple birdhouse from a tree log. Let's get right to it. I picked up a couple of logs from a cut-down tree in the neighborhood. This piece has some moss still attached, which I'm gonna try to keep on. It's already been cut at an angle on top, so I'll use this angle for the roof. First, I'll need to cut this log down to the size I want. Starting with a basic handsaw, I'll get a groove started, and then switch over to the more effective bow saw. The grip clamps I used didn't work very well, so I'm switching to some pipe clamps and a couple of boards. I'll cut the top slice off and set it aside for the roof later on. Next, I'll take a slice off the bottom for the floorboard. For the inside cavity, I'll mark out the dimensions I want with a pencil, before removing the back wall side. To be entirely honest, this bow saw was a lot of work. If I had a chainsaw, I would have definitely used it. To remove this inside wood, I'm gonna run the log over the table saw a bunch of times. On each pass, I'll raise the blade a little. The bow saw will help get the grooves down to the depth I want. From here, I'll use a chisel to get these slices removed. I just need to clean up the top area where the front overhangs a little. With the cavity complete, I'll use a hole saw to drill out an entrance for the birds. The size is entirely your preference depending on the birds you want to attract. I'm using a 1-inch saw. This size has been effective at attracting chickadees in my area. With all the pieces ready, I can begin assembly. Starting at the bottom, I'll pre-drill holes with a countersink, before driving in one wood screw on each side. Next, the back board can be attached in the same manner. Finally, the top can be secured. Well folks, I hope you've enjoyed the video and take away some ideas for your own projects. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.